कितना दारू पिया है?
अरे ज्यादा पिया है। सीधा जाओ वहाँ से वहाँ तक सीधा जाओ, ऐसी जाओ, ऐसी सीधा सीधा सीधा
ये इन सब
हाँ आओ आते रहो
Hakajing khandra bat perkhengi pulit ka rip hoy yakin nong nya kali nen ka janmit hasurok ba nong po ka blasdang do ka por nyo baje hado khat ar baje ka steng senya ki pulit kila yo bandan kuna hado phra laktam na ki nong nya kali ki ba pen khen ya ki kendon an Hakati kajing khandra bat talasi kabalai lamhi do he pulit ka rip hoy UVS Rathor SSP ka rip hoy lembadu additional SP UO Masar kila khandra na phang do ki kali he ki kali red barkum joro ki kali remdor ki bapen kenya ka ain do ki banya kali hapadeng kajing bu adyan ki kali ki babu ya ki light skin sha ki bata yet yong bat ki we de Habakren nakal yang SSP ka rib hoy UVS Rathor ulong ba ya kanila le kum shibenta banu wanra e ka jingsngan ya ki pad ba ki ba ya ba yeng ha ki surok ba na marba la jor palat ki nong ya kali ki ba pen khen ya ki kendon an bat ki bam salyaru banya ya ki kali wat hapdeng ka jing bu an ulong ru ha ka jing shisha ki surok ba ki de ki lenti ki basngan banya ki kali na marba ki pad ba ki pendon kam ya ki surok ba kum ka lenti ban pen poi ya ki marbam bargum juru ban ai kamai jakpo hende ka jing jong ini ki brio ki basyam kabu bat ki bam sutnyaw ki kendon an ka bawan ra shibon ki jingja ki bas ngosi bat ka bapen longru ki pad ba ban songs ir mensim habakiya ling ba ki surok ba Susul ong ba ki pulit ki numla ban pahara baro shi sngi bat habaro ki jaka ban lap ye ki bapen khen an hende ki pad ba ki laban shi shondor lani ring de ki video ada lap ya kum kita bat pentip lani pha sha ki pulit bat ki pulit kin sale ya ka badon kam hakate ka janmet ki pulit ka rib hoy ki lapen longru ka jing talasi haki artli ki benta jong surok ba jong rib hoy kata omsning bat ha omyam haka ba ki pulit klayo ban dan kuna hado phralak tam na ki kali ki banya khlemakor bat ki bapen khen ya ki kendon an bat lese kanika kuna ka bakot cedo ka phralak tingka tam kadai ka sin ka baning kong ka baki pulit ka rib hoy kilayo bandan kuna na ki bapen khen an tang hakashime
lagon
कितना दारू पिया है?
अरे ज्यादा पिया है। सीधा जाओ वहाँ से वहाँ तक सीधा जाओ, ऐसी जाओ, ऐसी फ्लैश
यहाँ करने के लोग को इधर आओ फिर इधर आओ तो इधर साहब के पास जाओ सीधा ये इन सब
हाँ आओ आते रहो घूमो पीछे आगे जाओ आगे चलो एक आगे ऐसे एक आगे एक आगे
चप्पल कहाँ गया? चप्पल कहाँ है? कम सीधे रिकॉर्ड द रीडिंग
ऐसे करो नहीं करेगा खाली फोटो खींचेगा अरे फुल डालो मालूम ही नहीं क्या कुछ नहीं होगा जाओ फूको ऐसा करो ऐसा करो हॉस्पिटल में लेके जाएगा बस हो गया ये तो ज्यादा होगा 200 समथिंग होगा ऐसा 224
You were just asking me whether the roads are unsafe. Please see, roads are not unsafe. The road becomes unsafe because of vehicles like these. See the lights, how bright it is. It will totally blind the person coming from opposite side. There is no number plate. The whole vehicle is modified. Vehicles like this make the road unsafe. दिया होगा ना बिल मत दिखाओ, आर्मी का पेपर दिखाओ। ऑर्डर दिखाओ। आपका घर कहाँ है? पलटन बाजार। और ID कार्ड दिखाओ। चलो खोखा नहीं है सर। ये वाला कहाँ ठोका गाड़ी को?
ठोका नहीं है सर।
तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है?
नलवारी सर।
नालबारी। चलिए और दिखाइए तो।
असम गुवाहाटी।
दिखाइए और ID कार्ड दिखाइए। As you rightly told, there have been a series of accidents in last few weeks, as well as the whole year we are seeing. I think as per estimate, I don't have confirmed data, but around 50 persons already they have lost their lives. So though it is a routine thing for us, it's a daily exercise which is being done by traffic unit as well as other field units like Kodakani, Muslim, Mancho, Bernihat also, Khanapara also, Pathar Rani, they all are doing. But today, myself along with my additional SP and other senior officers, we have come down on ground to stand together with the force so that their morale also goes high, and to give a strict message to everyone who is commuting on this highway that we will be very strict, especially on helmet for two-wheelers, seat belts for four-wheelers, as well as driving under influence of alcohol. Because we have seen that most of the accidents which have happened in last few weeks, mostly it was because of negligence on the part of driver. There are very few accidents which are actually accidents which just happened. Most of the accidents are either the driver is under the influence of alcohol, or he is sleepy, or he is driving at a very high speed. We have notified the speed limits. 80 km/h is the maximum speed limit in the Bhoi district on NH6. But we have witnessed, especially the trucks, when the trucks are empty, they drive at a very high speed. Another problem we are seeing is that most of these HMVs are driving on the right lane, which is absolutely wrong. The right lane is the overtaking lane. It is for other vehicles to overtake. So what happens when the truck or dumper starts moving in the right lane? The smaller vehicles, cars and all, they have to overtake from the wrong side. Many a times that also causes a lot of accidents. So it's a combined thing. Our endeavour is to minimize the accidents. Though we cannot man the whole highway 24/7, but whatever force we have, whatever resources we have, we are trying to maximize our traffic and speed enforcement exercise. Yes, you have witnessed today evening, we are conducting this exercise since 7 PM today. It's already 3.5 hours. I think we have already issued challan worth approximately 5 lakhs, I guess. Some challans are yet to be issued, the photos are being taken. So most of the challans are for driving under influence only. Just now you saw one traveller full of tourists. The driver was unable to walk also. So most probably 5 kilometers down the line, he will either hit himself on the divider or roadside, or hit some other vehicle. So like we have seen. Of course, we are checking the driving license. You are witnessing yourself. We are checking the driving license also, insurance also, the pollution also, RC also. Many young boys and girls, especially that exuberance of youth, they tend to speed up, overspeed the vehicle. Especially with the scooty and two-wheelers, there are always risks that they might skid or something. So we are trying to enforce. Night time we will not be spreading awareness, of course. The awareness exercises mostly go on during the daytime. All our traffic sub-inspectors and other officers, they counsel the drivers. But night time it will be penalty. We have already warned them many times. We have given them messages through social media also. You might have seen our Facebook page also. So we have tried everything. Now we are like enough of awareness. So we will do the awareness also, but we will be quite strict because we don't want anyone to lose life because of freak accident. So that's the whole objective. So on the highway, if you go by rules, parking is not allowed. There is no separate requirement of any rule from any authority. The NHAI rules, the National Highway rules itself says that parking is not allowed. For parking there are laybys and other places. So the line belongs to us, the National Highway as well as the Law Enforcement Authority. If you are parking your vehicle on National Highway between the white lines, it is illegal, and we issue challans and sometimes we impound the vehicles also. But again, as we see, we cannot man the whole highway. It's around 80 kilometers round the clock. Each point we cannot see. So it's my appeal to public also. If they see any illegally parked vehicle, record a video or take a photograph, send to us. We have flashed our WhatsApp numbers also. PCR is there, 112 is active, NERS. So they can send us the photos. So we will issue each challan sitting here in Nongpo. That is not an issue. That can be done. The public, if they become slightly vigilant and proactive, I think these truck drivers who park on the roadside, they will stop doing that. No, I cannot say that National Highway is not safe. It's a beautiful road. It is the lifeline of economy in this part of the state and the neighboring states also. It's not that the roads are not safe. It's the drivers who make the road unsafe. It is a behavioral issue because they have been doing that exercise for many years. So it takes time to change. Another problem we face on the National Highway is that around half of the trucks are local. So those drivers have been given awareness. They know Riboi police will be enforcing the law strictly. So they have changed their behavior. They are now, you might have seen, driving on the left lane. But most of the drivers who come from outside states, they have that bad habit of occupying the fastest lane. So we can't spread awareness to them also, because one day they are here, next day they will be in Silchar, third day they will be in some other part of country. So it is the outside drivers who need to be made more aware, and their behavior need to change. The road is not unsafe. It is we who make the road unsafe by driving dangerously or driving under the influence. It's a beautiful highway. It's the lifeline of this part of the state, and you can see the number of vehicles, especially commercial vehicles. They are supplying everything, right from food grains to everything they are supplying here, because we don't have railways here. So this is the main lifeline. It's not that roads are unsafe. Roads are absolutely safe, though we need certain improvements in terms of installation of CCTV cameras on the National Highway. We have already identified the black spots or hot spots which are accident prone. So we have taken it up with the NHI also to make rumble strips near those sharp curves and all. Especially Shangmangla side, there is a spot where a lot of accidents happen. So we have pointed this out. But the National Highway belongs to the NHAI. So they have to take a proactive role and start enforcing these things. Rumble strip, CCTV cameras, the speed limit signage boards everywhere, other boards, road safety traffic signs and symbols. No? So it's NHAI road. So NHAI will have to do it. Though we have taken it up with the help of our Deputy Commissioner, but still a lot needs to be done. If those things are done, the road will further become much safer than what it is right now.